你们好，下午好 Good afternoon 下午好 So you guys can answer me the same way 下午好好 We have learned chapter 1 last time. We learned the pronunciation and also we learned how to write the characters. So firstly, I want you guys check the characters. If you guys remember how to write them, we have learned all of these characters last, and also some more characters on the second page. So let's review together a little bit. Then I want to do a dictation together to test if you guys know how to write this. For those who were absent from class last time, I don't know if you went through the video, and the last two 我 and 好 was not on the video, but I showed you guys in the class. So you can ask your classmate to explain to you how to remember 我 and 很 OK 好，现在跟我读 follow me 跟我读口 focus on the characters 口马女子妈妈好我很 Okay, so now let's go to the next page. 木林那This one we didn't learn last time, but I'll put them together because they share the same pronunciation part. That's why they almost have same pronunciation, but na have third toe. And then look at the radical, have a ko as radical. So the meaning is to ask where. So this means where. Okay, so now I want to test you guys. So we learned how to write all of those characters except the last one. So now we are going to do the dictation. So take a pen and a notebook or whatever, paper. So now to write characters on your paper, write the characters and the pinyin, and then you can write the meaning as well. Ready? 准备好了吗？准备好了吗 means are you ready? 准备好了吗？好，第一个 mouse. You write the characters and the pinyin and write the number number 1, and then write the character and the pinyin. You can copy the meaning on it. 口 Oh, sorry. Yeah, 第二个 horse. Write characters and pinyin. 第三个 female. (第四个 song. Okay. 第五个 we use at the end of a sentence and then make a question. So use 是 yes or no to answer this question. So this is word used at the end to make a question. 第六个 mom. 第七个 good, fine. 第八个 I, me. This is quite difficult character. Do you remember the method I told you guys? It's like a girl have a mirror in the hand. Number 9, 第9个 very. This character also quite difficult. This radical. The radical of this character is very important. This radical related to road, walk. Okay, so let's go to the next. Yeah. 第10个 number 10 wood. 第11个 small forest. 第12个 there. Number 13 is a girl's name. They share the same pronunciation part as there. The last one, we didn't learn how to write last time. I just show you today. We share the same pronunciation part as there and has a radical. Use your mouth to ask questions. So can you try? Do you know how to write this? Okay, so now let's check together. So this is the last 5 characters. And also for those who were absent last time, this radical is very important. This name is bar pang. You don't need to remember the name. This radical relates to city. So check these 5 characters. Did you write it right? Cannot go back. Check those. The first 9 ones. Okay, you can check by yourself. Use a different a pen with different color and mark by yourself to check how many characters you wrote right, how many you had a problem. For those you wrote wrong, please practice more by yourselves. Yeah, if you need more time, you can pause by yourself. Okay, so now we have to remove. Okay, so we also have learned the conversation. So now I want you guys to practice the conversation together. So I will talk with you guys. You answer me, okay? 你好，你好吗？Yeah, this is a very easy conversation we have learned. So follow me to read this one more time. Now we'll focus on characters. 你好，琳娜。你好，立波。你好吗？我很好。Be careful, third tones we have to change. 我很好。We will learn how to change the third tones one more time today. So if you forgot, for those who were absent last time, then we will learn one more time. Okay. 你呢 and you 你呢我也很好我也很好 Second tip 再来一次我也很好 If you think you're not very familiar with these characters or the third tones, you don't practice, you can move back a little bit and practice one more time by yourself, okay? So now we move to this third tone. We're not going to, okay. Let's practice the third tone one more time. So when we talk about third tone, the third tone is very difficult. It's the most difficult tone in Chinese pronunciation because they have different changes. First regulation or first rule is if two third tones together, we have to, how to change, do you remember? Yeah, then the first tone have to change to, the first third tone has to change to second tone. For example, can you try? Yeah, 你好. You look at this both third tone, but the real pronunciation of the first one actually is second tone. So you have to change. So follow me, 跟我读。你好. Yeah, this one. 我很好. If three third tones together have two different ways to change the first two third tones, the first way, the easiest way, change both of them to second tone. So it's 我很好。再读一次，我很好。But actually, the most more often we use this way. We have a pause after 我, so we treat it like a stop. So we follow the rule number 2. If a third tone, after third tone there is first, second, fourth, or neutral tone, then the first tone have to change. Do you remember how to change? Yeah, only go down, go to very low. Do not go up. It's only go down. So for example, 老师. So it's not a 老师 nine. Only go down. So it's 老师. Okay, follow me. 老师. So this one I marked to purple is the ones have to change. Okay, follow me. 老师. 很好. Okay, if it's a hello teacher, then when you say hello to the teacher or greet to your teacher, then it's 老师好. Okay, follow me. 老师好. 我很好. So also this one, this is the more often way. If three third tones together, we need to divide them into groups. If there is a pause after third tone, then we follow the rule number 2. So it's just a go low, go down. So 我很好. The first third tone go down, only go down, and the second one follow rule number 1, change to the second tone. So 我很好，跟我读，我很好。 Yeah, as I told you last time, you don't need to remember these regulations. You just need to like be very familiar. Then you internalize the rules. Okay， 再来一次，你好，我很好，老师好。Next one， 你叫什么名字 means what's your name? We didn't learn this yet. So 叫 means named, 什么 what, 名字 means name. So 你叫什么名字 means what's your name? 跟我读，你叫 So 你 only go low, go down. 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？我叫 only go low, go down. 我叫 Sarah. 再来一次，我叫 Sarah. Try to remember this. This is very useful conversation. So you want to ask a Chinese people what's your name, then you should use this one. So try to read one more time or two more times until you can remember this sentence. And close your eyes. Try to remember how to say this. 你叫什么名字？我叫 Sarah. Okay, I will test you guys and after finish this video. You should know how to use this, okay? 好, now let's look at rule number 3. If the third tone at the end of a word or sentence, then we have to pronounce the full tone. For example, 老师好，我很好，你好. Yeah, if it's stand at the end, then we pronounce the full tone. 跟我读，你好，我很好。Yeah. Good. Now let's move to chapter 2. We're going to learn the new words first. 首先，请你们跟我读 Follow me to read these new words. 忙 Be careful. The second tone start very low. 忙 Yeah. 妈 爸 Be careful. The fourth tone have to start very high. 爸 A neutral 爸 One more time. 再来一次。爸爸。好，下一个 The first tone high from high 5 to 5. 妈妈。很好。Next one. 他们。他们。都。不 from very high and very quick go down. 不。好，下一个难 start very low. 难。很好。朋友。呢？好 Now you guys can pause or go back, make the video, go back a little bit and practice one more time. And when you finish the video, I want to come back to check your pronunciation, to check each of you have to pronounce very well, okay? So I will not go through one more time, but you guys need to make the video move back a little bit and practice one more time at least. Okay, so if you think you manage it, then I want to challenge you guys. So for example, we saw the pin disappear, then can you try to recognize them? Okay, so now I give you guys 3 minutes. Yeah, you can post the video. You use the 3 minutes by yourselves, okay? And if you think you're managed, then click the video, then we do the next part. I will not just wait 3 minutes. You click a post, okay? 3 minutes. Okay, now I want to challenge you guys. 3 minutes finish. So, can you guys read? Just in case you forgot. So I will read the right pronunciation after you. Yeah, 忙，这个吗？啊，这个爸爸，这个呢？妈妈，下一个怎么读 ？How to read？ 他们，下一个他，对，下一个们，下一个都，下一个不。Yeah, the first go very high. 不，不。好，下一个。Where's my mouse? Yeah. Start very low. 难，难，难。Yeah, 下一个。Same, second toe. 朋友，朋友。Okay, these two together means boyfriend. How to pronounce? 男朋友。好，跟我读。男朋友。好 the last one. 呢，呢。很好。OK。好，现在 I want to challenge you guys. 我说英语，你们说汉语。I speak English, you guys say Chinese to remember the meaning. Ready? 好，第一个 mom. Yeah. 妈妈。第二个 dad. 爸爸。busy. 忙。For question expecting. So we use it at the end of sentence, indicate a question. You use yes or no to answer question. What is? 吗? They, them. 他们。He, him. 他。Plural. We use after 我、你、他 make a plural. Yeah. 们。他们。So how to say we? Do you know? I and me is 我. So 我 me. Sorry. We and us is 我们. Yes. So you is 你. So the plural you group is 你们. Yeah. 很好. Next one. Both. All. 都. Next one. Male. 男 friend 朋友 so boyfriend 怎么说？男朋友 yeah 男朋友 no not yeah 不 the last one used for question as well for example 你 and you yeah 你呢 yeah 呢Okay, so now let's play a game to check if you guys remember the characters. So you see there are quite many characters and also include the characters we learned last time. So for example, this one shoulder you have to read. Okay? Yeah. Shall we start? You have to read as quick as possible. 他，什么 ？What？ 们，他们。Next one， 下一个。好，good。爸爸，你，都 both all 男 boy or male 忙 busy 他们 they them this is a name but both characters useful 林娜 yeah 林 is a small forest 那 the right part only right part means that 林娜好下一个我下一个忙 busy 不 not no 妈 yeah this is easy this is a difficult character 很 yeah 呢 and you 你呢吗你好吗朋友 means friend. Do you know how to say boyfriend? 男朋友 How to say girlfriend? 女朋友 OK 跟我读男朋友女朋友good 那 that means that Okay, so we finish how to read the characters. So now we are going to learn how to write them. About this part, I will teach you in real class. If you have time, you can try to write these characters by yourself. Follow that website. But I will come back soon and we can learn how to write these characters together. Okay, 好，再见. See you soon.